I'm senior reporter Don Nelson at the federal courthouse in Boise, where opening arguments began this morning in the sexual abuse trial against former Caldwell Police Department Sgt. Ryan Bendawald. To say the prosecution's statements were graphic would be an understatement, and Bendawald maintains he did nothing wrong. In a packed courtroom on Thursday, the jury sat and listened to the prosecution paint a picture of a bad cop. Ryan Bendawald was indicted in 2023 following a federal investigation. Prosecutors allege that between 2017 and 2021, he used his role as a Caldwell police officer to sexually abuse at least 7 women, though 2 of those charges were dropped. The prosecution described in graphic detail how Bendawald sexually assaulted the women and how those victims felt powerless. Bendawald came in contact with these women during drug investigations and 911 calls that came through dispatch. The defense says the government's allegations are fatally flawed. They painted a picture of a good cop who's put many drug dealers and gang members in jail. It was very clear the defense was going after the credibility of the women, specifically about their memory of the alleged encounters. The defense simply stated the government's allegations are a mirage, going as far to say the women are all criminal, with some having felony charges against them. 5 witnesses, including 3 women who claimed they were sexually violated by Bendawald, testified on Thursday, day 1 of the trial, along with one of the women's mother. One interesting note. Since 2 of the victims are currently incarcerated, the jury was removed from the courtroom as they entered and exited in handcuffs. They never saw that. The trial is expected to last up to 3 weeks. Reporting from the federal courthouse in Boise, I'm senior reporter Don Nelson, Idaho News 6.